Bulldozer.
Wow!
A bulldozer has a big metal blade that pushes dirt and rocks away. Excavator.
Wow!
The excavator has a long arm to dig deep holes in the ground. Dump truck.
Wow!
A dump truck carries heavy loads and tips back to dump them out. Cement mixer. The cement mixer spins around to keep the cement soft and wet. Crane truck.
Wow!
The crane truck can lift and move very heavy things high up in the air. Road roller. A road roller flattens the road to make it smooth for cars. Backhoe loader.
Wow!
This machine has a bucket in the front and a digger in the back. Grader. A grader has a long blade that levels the ground to make it flat. Skid steer loader. A skid steer is small but strong and can turn around in tight spaces. Forklift.
Wow!
A forklift lifts and moves heavy boxes in warehouses and on sites. Trencher. A trencher digs long, narrow holes in the ground to lay pipes. Pile driver. A pile driver hammers big poles into the ground to make buildings strong. Concrete pump truck. This truck pumps wet concrete through a big hose to pour it exactly where needed. Tower crane.
Wow!
A tower crane stands super tall and helps build skyscrapers. Thank you for watching. Like, share and subscribe.